Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add new widgets in Galaxy A06 device. Right now we have this widget guys. As you see, this one is the widget of our A06 device. But if you want to add new widgets, so all you guys have to do just long press on home screen, and here we have an option of widgets here. Just tap on widgets guys. As you see, we have these widgets which can be changed or which can be add on that screen. So just select calendar, and this is how it's look like. So I am selecting this one right now. Just click on plus sign and click add. So as you see, the widgets is now add, but we have to set it also. So just click here, just type Mobileinto and then click save. So as you see, the information is now start showing of the calendar, and this is how it's look like. Guys, we can also add any other widgets like this. Go to widgets, and if you want to set for a clock, you can set it according to your style. I am selecting the analog and then click OK. Now as you see, this is how we can add the widgets in Galaxy A06 device. That's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.